Hi guys, and welcome to the page. Now, over the next 3 days, I am going to be giving away 110 downloads. That's right, 110 downloads. No opt-in needed. Now, to claim these, all you need to do, scroll right to the bottom of the page, right down here, and you'll see your downloads appear here. Now, every day you will see some new downloads, so make sure that you keep coming back. Over the next 3 days, they will build up to 110 downloads. Now, I've also got a brand new bonus going live for an amazing product called ShopReel. That goes live on the 25th of November. Now, I've only got 30 spots for this bonus, and when I go through the bonus, you'll see why. Now, ShopReel, I'll give you a full review on the webinar. I'm holding a webinar, I believe, at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard on the 25th of November. So make sure that you're here for that. On there, I'll show you the bonuses and I'll go through ShopReel, and I will also have Abby and his team on there as well. So make sure that you get your place for that. Just click here, register, get your place on the webinar. Now, one of the bonuses I have is Lead Orbit. I've been working on this for a little while. Now, this is a full leads platform. Now, it hooks up with Google, so you can get everything you need to know about leads in your area. Or you can get them on different niches, anything you want. You can collect the leads, then export them to CSV and upload them into your autoresponder. And I'm giving you the full Pro version worth $297. Okay, really easy to use, and it does work very, very well. Okay, so I'm giving you that. Now, I'm also giving you ReelCampaignAI. Now, ShopReel is all about short videos, so TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, etc. And it's selling affiliate products. Now, ReelCampaign, what it does, it creates you a 7-day video campaign for Shorts. So all you do is put your idea in there, and it creates a 7-day full campaign. Now, I've also got Shorts to Social. So now with this, you can take your short video and it creates a full social kind of promotion. So it does Facebook posts, tweets, email templates, Instagram graphics, strategic summary, everything you need for social to promote that. Then there's TrendHook. TrendHook takes your short video and it gives you the trends that you are kind of looking for that video to kind of rank. Obviously, because hashtags, things like that, they all help a video rank. So what this does, it gives you low competition keyword pockets and things like that, and it does it all in real time. Then you've got ViralHashtag Miner. Now what this does, it will give you how easy it would be to rank for hashtags and how popular they are. Okay, so it's perfect for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So you put your hashtag in, then it will give you the trend score and how saturated that hashtag is. Then we've got Offer Vision. This is a really nice app. Now what this does, it takes the trend. So you put in the trend and it gives you the products to promote. So it gives you ones that are kind of fast moving and people are interested in and things like that. Now, there's 6 apps there, 6 full brand new applications, and we're going to give you resale rights to each one. With the resale rights, we're going to give you the sales pages, the thank you pages, the graphics, and the marketing as well. And we're also going to give you the full done for you bundle as well. So you'll be able to sell all 6 apps as a bundle package. Sales page, thank you, and marketing included. We're also going to do the white glove app build as well. Now, last time this was on 4 apps, this time it's 6. We'll take the whole 6 apps, rebrand them to whatever name you want, install them and do the sales pages, everything. So it's all complete, ready to go. So if you're a little bit unsure about installation, things like that, this is perfect. Then we've got the white glove payment integration. So what we'll do is we'll take those 6 apps and integrate them with JVZoo or Warrior Plus, all done for you, all set up, ready to take sales. Then we've got the SaaS Empire launch. Now, this is a platform by itself. There's 18 fully developed SaaS apps, and you can take those, the full source code, got sales pages, marketing materials, everything there. You can resell those as your own. And we've got the Empire Accelerator. So what this does, it takes those 18 apps and lets you sell those apps with the rights. So you can pass on those rights to your customers. That's a super, super valuable offer. And then we've got JV Zoo Domination, my 3 million affiliate system, and you've given you full private label rights to that. And then we've got some other great bonuses as well. You can see down here. Now, it is an amazing bonus package, not to be beat, but we only have 30 spots. So make sure that you get your place on that webinar. And when you get the place on the webinar, we'll go through the bonuses. Abby and his team will be there, as I said. You know, we'll tell you why these bonuses will work so well with ShopReel. And you can claim one of those 30 spots. Now, for the free downloads, please make sure that you keep checking your email, because we'll be releasing the downloads on the 23rd, 24th, and 25th. So you'll get brand new downloads each day, and they all add up to about 110 downloads. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.